Let's get you started with Twilio. First, head over to twilio.com/signup. You'll need to provide your email address, create a password, and agree to the terms of service. Twilio requires phone number verification to prevent abuse and ensure compliance with anti-fraud measures. Enter your phone number, and Twilio will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter this code to complete the verification process. Businesses may need to complete additional KYC checks if opting for paid services. Upon successful verification, you'll have access to the Twilio console. With your account created, you'll automatically start a free trial with $20 in credits. This allows you to explore Twilio's features, like sending SMS or making calls, without immediate charges. You'll receive a trial phone number in your region. Keep in mind that the trial has limitations, such as rate limits of 100 messages per day and restricted access to advanced features. To access your account's sit-in auth token, which you need for all API access, go to the Twilio console. Remember, the free trial is perfect for prototyping, but real-world deployments need paid upgrades to avoid interruptions. Once ready, you can upgrade to a paid plan directly from the Twilio console, gaining full access to Twilio's capabilities.